This shit so good to be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel. Hit the back with like a freak though. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my seat plug. Got me singing like. How far out of I got to move? Oh, I gotta get next to you. But you're so far away. Searching for a heart, another world away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl AllureAlexis. So I installed this straight wig on my sister Alesha, and I did the ball cap method off camera. So now I'm starting with cutting the lace. I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not a professional. This is actually my first time installing a wig on someone else. So I'm not saying that I know exactly how to do it, but this is the way that I know how to do it right now, and I'm still learning, so we'll get better. This is my first time installing a wig. So I'm starting with cutting the lace, and I'm pushing all the hair out of the way so I can see where to cut. Then you want to cut around the ear tab so your frontal lays flat and you're able to put your hair behind your ear. And when you're cutting the lace, you want to make sure you're cutting in a zigzag motion. That'll give you the best looking frontal. Instead of just cutting it straight across, it'll look more realistic. So I had a piece that was still not all the way melted down, so I'm just blow drying the ear tab. The ear tabs are like the hardest to really get to stick, in my opinion. So I'm just cutting the lace now, and you want to be careful because the scissors are sharp, so you want to be careful not to cut your face or cut your hair or anything. So just take your time because this is a long process. So here I decided to braid the baby hairs so I can just get a better picture of where I'm cutting. So right now she's showing me where she wants her baby hairs placed. So when you cut the baby hairs, you want to cut them diagonally. Now I'm going in with the Care wax stick to help flatten the wig. Okay, now I'm going in with the hot comb, and then I'm going to start to form the baby hairs with setting lotion. Okay guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next.